Most investors think that staying on top of the market means checking their phone all day, watching financial news, and constantly looking for the next stock to buy. But for busy people, that usually doesn't lead to better decisions, it just creates more stress and confusion. One red day suddenly feels dangerous, one headline changes your whole mood, and one pullback makes you question a position that might still be perfectly fine. After helping everyday investors simplify when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell, I found that most people don't need more screen time. What they need is a repeatable decision routine. So today I'm going to show you the simple nightly investing routine that I follow to manage my own portfolio. Because if you're anything like me, you've already got a life with a full-time job, a commute to and from work, and once you finally get home, there's a whole new set of responsibilities waiting for you. Tidying up the house, getting dinner ready, taking care of your significant other, your kids, your pets, maybe even trying to squeeze in some time into a side business. And by the time you finally get a little bit of me time to relax, it's already 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night. And let's be honest, the last thing I want to do at that point is fire up my computer and start digging through financial news and pulling up a bunch of stock charts, combing through endless lists of recommended stocks from 100 different places, trying to figure out what I should buy next. That kind of investing just isn't realistic. And honestly, it's not necessary either. Because successful investing, it shouldn't feel chaotic, stressful, or time-consuming. It should be simple, structured, and repeatable. Honestly, investing should feel more like a bedtime routine than a second job. So let's get over to it. I think a lot of people get overwhelmed with investing because they feel they always need to be on. Like if they stop watching the market for just a few hours, they're going to miss something important. And the truth is, people are pressured into thinking that investing must become a second job. That if you really want to succeed, you need multiple monitors, you need constant alerts, financial news running in the background all day long. And for most people, that just creates more stress than results. Because what usually happens is, the more often you check your portfolio during the day, the more tempted you become to interfere with good positions. You start reacting emotionally to normal movement. And before long, investing stops feeling structured and starts feeling exhausting. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying to ignore your portfolio, but what I am saying is there's a difference between managing your investments and emotionally reacting to them all day long. The goal isn't to react all day long. The goal is to have a simple process that you can calmly repeat night after night. Because what most people really need isn't more stress added into their lives. They need a simple, repeatable routine that they can follow. And that's what I want to show you now. This is the exact order that I like to follow at night when the market is closed and settled for the day. The nice thing about this process is once you've done it a few times, it becomes super easy. You could probably write it down on a sticky note and keep it next to your desk until they become a second nature to you. But the routine is simple. First, you want to check the market. Then you want to check your positions. After that, look through your watch lists and then decide if anything's worth buying. That's it. Let's go into detail. So step 1, check the market. See what the market is doing. The very first thing that I want to know is what kind of environment are my stocks operating in? Before I even look at my individual positions, I want to know what the overall market is doing. Because even good stocks struggle in bad market conditions. So the first thing I do is quickly check the overall market conditions. Is it healthy? Is it weak? Is it bullish? Is it being defensive? Am I seeing green lights or am I seeing signs of caution? Now, the reason this matters is because good investors don't start with opinions. They start with conditions. If the market is unhealthy, maybe tonight is not the night to add new positions. Maybe tonight is just about protecting what I have. And that one quick check immediately helps frame every other decision that I'm about to make. So, step 2, review your positions. Check on what you already own. Once I understand the market's conditions, now I can look at the positions that I already own. And this is where I think that a lot of investors get it backwards. They spend more time hunting for new stocks than protecting the capital that they've already worked so hard to build. Protecting your portfolio comes before growing it. So this part of the routine is simple. I check on my current positions. Do any of the stops need adjusting? Are any of these stocks violating my rules now? Is anything acting abnormally weak? Do I need to reduce risk somewhere? And the important thing here is that I'm reviewing it calmly. I'm not emotionally reacting intraday while the market is moving around. Because ironically, the more often investors stare at their portfolios all day, the more they are likely to interfere with their good positions. This nightly routine helps remove a lot of that emotional interference. Now, I'm just making decisions calmly instead of emotionally in the middle of the day. Step 3, look through your watch lists. Look to see if anything is setting up for a buy. Now that the portfolio has been handled, I can calmly look for future opportunities. And this is another place where preparation makes investing so much easier. Most investors wait until the market gets exciting before they start looking for stocks. That usually leads to rushed decisions, FOMO, and emotional buying. Prepared investors make calmer decisions. So instead of scrambling around and trying to find ideas after the market's already been moving, I like building and maintaining a shopping list ahead of time. Stocks that I already like, stocks that fit my criteria, and stocks I consider buying if the conditions line up. I think of it like grocery shopping. I never want to go into the grocery store starving without a list because I always end up making bad decisions and buying a ton of stuff that I'm not even going to eat later. Investing works the exact same way. Having a prepared watch list removes a lot of stress because now you already know what you're watching before the pressure shows up. Step 4, decide if anything is worth buying, meaning only buy if it makes sense. Now, after we've done all of that, would I even consider adding a new position? And this is important because buying should not be the default action every single night. And a lot of investors feel like they always need to be doing something. But sometimes the best investing decision is doing nothing. Remember that cash is a position too. Just because the market is open doesn't mean you need to buy something. So before adding anything new, I want to see alignment. Do market conditions support buying? Do I actually have room in my portfolio? Do I have available cash? And does the stock meet my rules? If all those things line up, that's great. If not, that's okay too, because I will be doing this again tomorrow. Being a successful investor is not about forcing trades out of boredom. It's about making calm, structured decisions consistently over time. At the end of the day, successful investing doesn't need to consume your life. It doesn't need to be chaotic, and it doesn't need to take hours every single night. It doesn't require staring at charts all day. And what most people really need is a calm, repeatable process they can follow consistently. And this should feel so simple that you could practically work through the routine while brushing your teeth before bed. Check the market, review your positions, look through your watch list, and decide if there's anything worth buying. It's simple, it's structured, and repeatable. Honestly, that's how investing should feel. VectorVest was built to help people like us make clear decisions faster without needing to watch the market all day long. If you haven't already, try a 30-day trial and let us help simplify the process for you. You don't need to make investing a second job. You just need a clear set of steps that you can follow consistently. I'll leave the link in the description below. See you in the next video.